episode 3. And if you are new here and you haven't seen the first 2 episodes, this is the show where I put my DIY skills up to the test against bigger, harder, and more complex projects, things that I've never done before. And today we are tackling Shibori tie-dye. So I don't really foresee it being that much harder than like regular rainbow tie-dye because I went to summer camp, I did tie-dye parties, I've been around the block with tie-dye. But then I got the Shibori kit and there are so many instructions and so many steps and rules and things that you can and can't do and like times of waiting and expectations went from here to here on how good my Shibori is gonna be. So keep watching to see how it all goes and if we're able to make some cute Shibori stuff because Shibori stuff is literally everywhere and it's really expensive and we don't got time for that. Don't forget to let me know in the comments down below if you think I nailed it or failed it and if there are any DIY master projects you'd like me to try. So I think that's it. Let's go mix our stuff and just, it's so high maintenance. This project is so high maintenance. Okay, let's do it. Okay, so today we are doing Shibori dyeing, and I feel like this is just cooler tie-dyeing. It's like the hipster of tie-dye. Like tie-dye was like summer camp. Let's be real, tie-dye is still cool. Tie-dye was like when you're younger, and Shibori is like adult tie. I hope I'm even saying this right. How to pronounce Shibori tie-dye.
Here's what I found on the web for how to pronounce Shibori tie-dye.
Really, Siri? Okay, we're gonna go with it. Shibori. Shibori roll. So I've got pillowcases, I've got a blanket, and I've got a shirt, and I've got clothespins, and this kit actually came with like so much good stuff. I've got gloves, I've got these little squares that makes like the cool Shibori that I feel like you think of when you think of Shibori. I'm gonna be so sad if I'm saying this wrong and the whole video is just gonna be like me saying it wrong. I'll be so sad. Also, I've already prepped the dye because it needed to sit for an hour. It was like really high maintenance, like super high maintenance. So in the essence of time, this is already ready, and it was just like following instructions, and like, can you really mess that up? I mean, like I probably could, but I don't think I did. It's been chilling for the last hour and a half, like seriously high maintenance. Okay, let's get dyeing on. Also guys, like I'm not kidding when I say this is high maintenance. This has to oxidize for 2 days. Are you kidding me? So I have to pay Matt for 2 days of filming now. So the tutorials say that you do a little accordion thing. Honestly, I feel like this stuff is so expensive, so if this works out, I'm gonna be really stoked about it. Here we go. And they like conveniently gave us this little square and elastics. Also, I have already dyed my sink blue, getting this set up, and also my nails, and also my fingers. So if you're gonna do this, highly recommend using gloves because I made the mistake of not wearing gloves when I was prepping the dye, and now I'm regretting it. Oh my gosh, guys, I'm so excited. If this works, like we're gonna put Urban Outfitters out of business slowly, episode by episode of DIY Master. We've got our macrame, we've got our chunky blanket, we've got our Shibori. I'm so scared it's gonna break. Please don't break, please don't break. I wonder if we can just dump all of these in. Yeah, YOLO. Oh no, I'm stuck, I'm super stuck.
That looks like a voodoo doll.
Looks like a voodoo doll? Did you do voodoo, man? Is there something you need to tell me about our friendship?
No.
Ah! Let's do some clothespins. Let's get crazy. Also guys, I just want to be super clear that this is like a 70% YOLO. Like I followed the instructions, looked at a few tutorials on like what to do, but this is a mostly YOLO situation. I don't even know if I bought the right fabric, to be honest. So hopefully it's cute. I don't know. I really don't know. Honestly, I'm waiting for the first episode for like a fail. I hope we get one. Like low-key, I hope something doesn't turn out. Do it?
Do it.
Do it? This is a really YOLO. Definitely didn't see this one on any of the crafting websites I looked at. This is what not to do. Exactly what you're doing.
That one's gonna be the best one.
You think this is gonna be the best one?
Yeah.
I don't know. This is some real live YOLOing. Like the clothespins ones, like, okay, yeah, I could see that one being cute. And like, you know, regular tie-dye techniques, like, yeah, that works out usually 99.9% of the time. But this one, I don't know. This is like a baby size shirt.
Is that like an adult shirt?
Yeah, it's an adult culture. Also, I'm gonna be really sad if I ruin this shirt because I really like this shirt. Okay, here we go. Please don't break, please don't break, please don't break, please don't break. Oh god, I knew that was gonna happen at some point. It's like popping a balloon. That was rude. Guys, we have this giant blanket and you know what? I'm not gonna lie, it's pretty cute as is and I'm like a little nervy. What am I gonna do with this? I wish I knew what these were gonna look like. I don't know what to do. I really want this to be cute. Like I really like deep in my heart want this to be cute. I want this all to be cute.
That one.
This one, I'm really worried this one's gonna look like absolute poo. I'm really concerned. Guys, I'm gonna just go with like the classic tie-dye techniques. I'm gonna embrace my inner summer camp kid. Whoa, this is a tight elastic. This is gonna hurt even more if it snaps. Please, please be nice to me, elastic. Also, I'm realizing now that we're about to have like Shibori everything if this works out. So prepare for like upcoming house tour of just Shibori in every room. Whoa, look at this big mama. Okay guys, I've been sitting here for like an hour and a half now and apparently there's like some kind of flour if you do it right. I'm gonna try to see if I did it right. That just looks like poo. That looks like straight poo. There's no flour in there. There's like bubbles.
Ooh, that smells like poo.
Does it smell like poo? Oh, that does smell like poo! Oh, that smells bad. They literally warned you about that. Okay, it said to scoop out these little guys. Ew! I really feel like I did not do this right. Okay. You smell like poo, my dye. And you smell like poo till the end. You are the poo. You are the poo. Yo, let's mother freaking do this.
That looks gross.
Yeah, it looks nasty. All right, okay, you're good. Protective gloves, I'm not trying to have Shibori hands. Honestly, do I use these tongs for cooking? No. Do I use them for DIYing? Yeah, I do. Also, it's supposed to be a weird color. Oh, whoa! It's green, it's green. Whoa. Is this gonna turn blue? In you go. Whoa, they look so, oh wait, this one actually looks a little, oh no, the glass looks blue. Oh wait, no, this one looks a little more, no, it's green. I feel a fail in the future. In you go. It farted. You're so immature, Matt.
No, because it stinks and it farted.
All right, here's our champion over
Yes.
here. Guys, live DIYing is so much more fun than like planned DIYing. This is way more fun. Big mama blanket over here. About to hog up all the dye. Whoa. Whoa. Oh my God, it smells so bad. It's like distracting. Like my brain can't even function with this smell happening. Oh no, my tongs are purple! Low-keys look really good though. I hope they stay purple. I feel like I should just leave this to hang out. The instructions really don't tell you. It gives you like the most specific instructions in the entire world to set it up and then it tells you nothing. They're like, okay, have fun, good luck. Good luck with your life. I'm just gonna go in. I'm doing it. I'm gonna go in. It said it gets darker the more it oxidizes, but like, I feel like it should be darker. Whoa, this is completely green. What the heck? I hope these all don't look like poo. I'll be so sad. Okay, yeah, let's leave them. Let's let them hang out, do their thing for a little bit, and then we'll come back.
Okay.
Okay. That made me nervous, and he said that I shouldn't leave it into this long.
Don't blame this on me.
You were the one that said we should take it out, and now I don't know what to do. I think we should just take it out. Let's just take it out?
Okay.
I think we should take out all of it. Because this was like sitting in the air and it says that it gets bluer when it oxidizes. We can always dip it back in if it's not turning blue, right?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, okay. It's literally already turning more blue, right?
Yeah.
It literally magically turns blue in air. That's so weird. Oh, this one not looking so good.
You can leave it out and then dip it back in.
Dip it back in, yeah. That's not looking good. Okay, so this one is like super light blue. So let's see if that one gets darker. I feel like it's gonna. Whoa, that one's so blue now. That's definitely getting darker. Oh my God, oh my God, oh my God. Moose, chemicals. Get off the bench, Moose. That one is super green. If that goes blue, then this is magic. Should this be a sink situation, do you think? Maybe you can cut it. Moment of truth. I'm so impatient, I just want to do it. We're starting with the one that I think is going to be really derpy, just to, you know, like set the expectations low.
That's gonna be the best one though.
It's not going to be this one. I know this is like, it's the runt. It's the runt of the family for sure.
I hope it proves you wrong.
I hope so too, I really do. Oh no, oh no. Prediction is that it's gonna be completely just all blue. It's not looking good, guys. It's not looking good. Everyone say a prayer, bow your heads in silence for Shibori number 1. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, this is the best part. Da, da, da. Wait!
I told you! I told you!
It's good! What? That one actually ended up turning out so cute. What the heck? Oh yeah! Oh my god, runt, runt, runt! Whoa, what the heck? That's lime green. Maybe it'll turn blue once it's in the air. Or I just really messed up the shirt that I like. Moment of true. Oh my gosh. Okay, this is the one that has a square in it. Yo! Yo! Oh my god, the reveal part is the best part. Okay, so fun. That one turned out even better, I feel like. So the back of the shirt looks like this. I have not high hopes for this, to be honest. I feel like I may have just ruined this shirt. I don't understand how this one went so wrong. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. These are like 2 big white booby squares. Like the placement of this is just unbelievable. Maybe it'll oxidize though. Maybe we'll just give it a little more time to
dip it back.
to hang. Do you think dip it again? I mean, it's already messed up. We might as well just keep going. We'll revisit that one. Ooh,
That's
wait.
pretty.
That one's good. That's like freakishly symmetrical. That one's really good. That was a little floppy. It's not the best one. It's not bad though. We still have the blanket left, so I'm probably gonna be rinsing dye out for the next 3 hours of my life. So let's see you then.
You done yet?
I've been here for 45 years. My arms are so sore! Okay, A, this completely turned blue. Definitely less faily now. It's still like so awkward that there's just like 2 giant white squares where the boobs are. But way cuter than it was before. Also, this blanket is just, I don't even know what the answer is to make it not wet because it's about 40 pounds sopping wet right now. But I think because of the success of the circle pillow, I think it's gonna be cute. Guys, I think this is like the piece de la resistance. Like I think this is gonna be the super cute one. Okay, here we go, here we go. Da, da, da. Ooh. That's just the first corner. Oh my god! Oh my god, it's cute, it's cute, it's cute, it's cute, it's cute, it's cute. It's so cute. This is mad cute. Wow! It's so heavy, it's so good. Wow, I'm so excited for it to dry. This was definitely not like a full fail. Like there was definitely some like mild fails, but like not a full fail. So I didn't do enough research on what kind of fabric you needed because this is not the fabric because it looks like poop now. Looks like poop, but here's the trippy part. When you turn it inside out, it looks sick. So I think the move here is to just put the pillowcase on inside out because it's not something that I've never done before. And then we'll just hide that bottom part and all will be well because this wrong side out, not a fail. Right side out, possibly my first fail. Debatably and probably right? My first fail. It only took 3 episodes. Backward zipper, come on. That actually looks sick.
That's not a fail.
Okay, but here's the moment of truth, is this one sick on the inside too? And sick!
So sick!
Oh my god! Why is the outside of it so stupid? Dang, y'all. We got some sick inside out pillowcases. Guys, this was the derpy one. Remember the guy that was like this and looked like a sausage and had all the elastics that we didn't think was gonna work? Make sure to give it a big thumbs up if you did. Let me know in the comments down below if you think I nailed it or failed it. I think it's arguable. I think there could be, you know, debate on both sides. So let me know what you guys think. Also, let me know in the comments if there are any projects you'd like to see me go up against. Also, I filmed the first half of episode 4 yesterday, and like, you guys don't even know what's coming. Like, it's gonna be, it's possibly my favorite episode yet, is next week. Anyways, I'm super excited. Thank you guys so much for watching. I will see you guys on Wednesday for another weekly vlog, and again on Sunday for another Sunday. Wow! Okay, bye guys, love you.
I'm the DIY queen, that's the royal elite. My pretty little kingdom out here running the streets.